Hey y'all, welcome to my garden and flow. This is where I just have a little garden time and then I'm just in my backyard, just stretching and flowing and doing what feels good to my body, just trying to get out of my head a little bit and just being in the present moment and tuning in. I highly recommend you guys do this and just enjoy spending that time with yourself. Pour into yourself. Tell yourself words of affirmation. Tell yourself you're proud that you showed up today. And just let the wind blow on your face. Let the sun shine on your skin. And receive all the love that Mother Nature has to give. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace.